Hi, it's Laura Lynn, and I want to show you another trick for finishing a hand-stitched pearl cotton nose. If you're using the black, which most of the noses on my bears are black in color, after I've stitched it, I'm going to take one of my either Prismacolor Premier markers or a Copic marker. These are high-quality art markers. And I'm using it in a dark color, but not black, because black tends to fade to blue. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this marker juice and squish it onto the threads of the nose. Let me show you. You want to be very careful. Now it does help if some of the fuzzy fur happened to come through a little bit. I prevented most of it by putting that layer of fray check down, but some of them still showed through. And this dark colored marker is helping to camouflage them. But it's also doing something else. So I'm going all over the nose and trying to press this in so that I can get that marker juice in there. And now just let it sit for a bit. And now the nose looks like this. You can rub your fingers over it. It's hard now, or at least a lot harder than it used to be. And so those nose threads aren't moving around and not going anywhere. Hope you like this tip.